When she arrived, she's so pretty, and one of the employees said that it reminded them of Fiona from Shrek. Pretty on the outside, Ogre on the inside, and the name just stuck. My name is Sara Christensen. I am the general manager of the Grass Valley Courtyard Suites. The hotel is centered in downtown Grass Valley. A lot of our guests come to Grass Valley to visit family and friends in the area. They come for all of the recreational opportunities that Nevada County offers, like hiking and boating, the rivers. We have implemented several sustainability efforts over the last several years, which have included upgrading our bulbs to LED and installing EV chargers throughout the property, as well as upgrading our HVAC units to mini splits, and now adding the digester to our food waste program. The majority of the waste is pre-consumer. It's from our food prep that we do to provide meals to our guests. Most of it comes from our kitchen. We were made aware of SB 1383 about a year ago. I had a presentation at the city and Waste Management, and were explained how the city was going to comply with the new law. I felt we could do more than what they were offering. Because of the digester, we have noticed an overall reduction in the amount of waste going into our dumpster. It has definitely offset what we're throwing away. Another reason why we chose to go with the digester is because it gets hot here in the summer, and we were concerned with the number of bins that we would have to hold our food waste. The bins would attract rats, flies, raccoons, different animals that we have in the area, as well as the smell potential of the bins having to sit for a week. We thought that the digester would overall be a better choice for the hotel. I like that Power Knot is a California-based company. I felt that with the SB 1383, that being a California-based company, they would understand what regulations we were required to meet. We were able to use it immediately, and the transition to using it has been really smooth. The support from beginning to end of the installation process and checking in with us throughout the last couple months has been great. The customer service has been outstanding. Most employees know that we need to feed Fiona, and so we do what we need to do to keep the food waste separated and keep her full.